Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to encrypt Gmail message and send messages and attachment confidentially. First, go to gmail.com. Click Compose. Write an email and attach any files if there is any. Click Turn on Confidential Mode, in the bottom right of the window. Tip: if you've already turned on confidential mode for an email, go to the bottom of the email, then click Edit. Set an expiration date and select SMS passcode. Hit Save. Once you are done, click Send. A phone is required so the receiver can verify their identity using a SMS passcode they get in their mobile phone. Enter their phone number and then send. This is how you can send messages and attachments confidentially. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.